Hello everyone, welcome to follow Huazhen Fasteners. I'm Shan. Today I'll talk about the washer of Head self-drilling spool. The usually used washers are this kind of PVC washer, rubber washer, and EPDM metal bond washer. Today I want to tell more to you about EPDM metal bond washer. Generally, only the head spool with small head flange use this kind of bond washer. There are number 14 and number 16 washers. Usually, number 14 washers used with head spool, which diameter are 4.8 mm. The spool's diameter are 6.3 mm. Normally used with number 16 washers. 5.5 mm diameter spools can use them either. The bond washers provide the spools for better waterproof, anti-slip, and buffer features. General information and usage for head self-drilling spools and bond washers. If you have special customized requirements, please contact us.